How to add user memory in your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simply and easily add your personal context or your user memory in Claude Code CLI. So now in order to add your user memory, so this includes basically your personal things or the things related to the users, such as maybe your name, maybe the job you do, or maybe other characteristics that you prefer whenever Claude answers you. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to set up your user memory, what you need to do is simply launch your Claude Code CLI and then enter this command, that is a forward slash, and then type in memory. Then hit the enter button, and from here you can see the first option, that is user memory. Then click onto this user memory or hit the enter button, and it will open a word or this txt file that you can edit using notepad, and from here you can simply type in your memory. So for example, let's say I'm typing in, I am an engineer who loves to code. Then once you are done with this, you can simply press the Control and S in order to save this file, and then you can close this file. And now it says that the to use a different editor, set the editor is now it has successfully saved your memory. To check, type the command again and type in memory, and then go to the user memory, and you can see this is your particular user memory. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.